Farm animals: addax, alpaca, Bactrian camel, bison, deer, donkey, dromedary camel, eland, cow, elk, goat, guinea pig, horse, llama, moose, mule, pig, rabbit, reindeer, sheep, yak, water buffalo. Well done!